Hi everyone, thank you for joining today. If you have not seen me before, my name is Twitter and I make DIY refurbishing, upcycling home decor videos. If you like those type of videos, you will definitely enjoy my channel. So don't forget to go ahead and check other videos on my channel. And let me start today's video. In today's video, I'm going to take you along with me to IKEA. So I was on a 2 months long vacation in India and I truly enjoyed. But as soon as I came back, I really wanted to go to IKEA. First thing is I was moving to a new apartment. I really wanted to buy some things that are really useful for my new apartment. And also I was excited about the new collection that IKEA has launched for summer or spring collection. So basically I was looking for some colored option if I can utilize in my home decor. Probably I can put it in my new home that I was moving to. So yeah, that was that. And in today's video I'll be showing you how my recent trip with IKEA was, what are the new products at IKEA, how does that look in real, because there are some new product but they are also like very light in the color. You can also utilize into any kind of home decor that you have. The big part is the price point. The price point is affordable, something that we have not seen in recent times. So something that I truly loved, and I'm pretty sure you will like it too. And also IKEA has some amazing deals on a previous furniture pieces that they have already launched, but they are on a discount right now. So I will show you that as well, so you can make a decision whether to buy it or not. So come along with me, let me get started. So let's start our day today from the garden section. This is where I found the most new items at IKEA at that point. They have several other new items in the home decor section and some other areas of the IKEA as well. But this is where I found the most new items and most attractive items for summer. So let's get started. First one, I found this yellow vase. Just because of the color and also the size, it doesn't really come in any other color. It was a nice, beautiful, deep vase. I think it was a planter, depending upon how would you like to utilize that. Also, just like any other planters at IKEA, it is glazed inside and outside both. Surprisingly, it doesn't come in any other color, so it is perfect for someone who likes to utilize color in their home decor, most probably maximalist style. Second is this planter, which I believe is an amazing planter. It's a nice, beautiful leaves design. Also come in a single color, green color, $9 price point, but it is glazed inside and outside. It is nicely detailed, and not just this planter, every planter in this section was nicely detailed. It comes in a smaller and a bigger size. The one that I'm holding right now is a larger size for $9 and the smaller one goes for $7. I prefer a smaller one because of the details. I can put it on my home office or probably on a coffee table. And just because it is going to be on a place where you're going to look at it every day, it needs to be nice finished or detailed. This planter was similar to that, so it is perfect for indoor home decor. Third is this ribbed vase. Now, if you remember, Parmesan or West Elm have the similar vases for very expensive price, which is like $35 to $45 Canadian. This planter was an amazing for probably $10 to $15. I forgot to record the prices for that planter, but it is an amazing decor for your shelves, or probably just trying to elevate your space, or if you're trying to put all vases together and trying to make a vase decor all together. It is perfect. It is matte and shiny all together at the same time, but the best part is it is a dupe from Parmesan or West Elm, which is very expensive if you get it from there. Unfortunately, it doesn't come in different sizes, but it is an amazing quality in terms of pricing at IKEA. This is a bamboo vase. This is also a new vase, new collection for $25, which I probably was not able to understand the design and the price point, because for $25 they had really amazing vase, but also like this is a creative design for sure, something that I'm not really sure how to style it, but it is definitely something that you can utilize in your home office or probably on your desk or probably on a coffee table or a bookshelf. These two vases are pretty interesting. It's a clear vases. Green is a little bit darker green, but the yellow one, the vase, the shape of the vase is also a nice, pretty standard shape. But if you are looking to get just a vase for the shape, you'll probably be able to get the similar vase in any thrift store for less than $15 for sure. This self-watering planter at IKEA was one of my favorite things that I found at IKEA. I never really saw or thought of having this at IKEA. I'm not really sure if they had it before or not, but this was my first time seeing this planter at IKEA. This is basically, it takes the hassle out of remembering to water your plants by keeping the soil constantly moist. It's the perfect for those who are busy or tend to forget about their plants, or it has a built-in water bottom that you can utilize to water your plants. And so you don't have to worry about watering or underwatering or overwatering. And this, I believe, it's perfect for succulents or any small plants. You can have 4 different plants all together that you can utilize. You can also grow your own microgreens in here. That is amazing for that. Coming back to planters, this is also similar to the ribbed vase that we have seen before. It is same matte and shiny at the same time. It is just glazed on the outside and not the inside, so I'm not really sure if we can put the soil based plant in here, but I think that worked pretty well. Also, it's a new collection, same as a ribbed vase. The price point is $7, which is not bad at all, which is similar, a little bit higher than the dollar store, but I think it's perfect. The quality of the IKEA when it comes to planter, it's amazing. And I still use planters that I bought like a couple years ago, or some of them are literally 4 or 5 years ago that I bought it, and I'm still using it. These are some small planters that you can find in IKEA's section. Most likely it can be used for home offices or some small desks where you don't want to utilize all your space for bigger plants. So there were a couple plants. This is also like $8 for this plant, which has a 2 kind of texture. One, the top part was glazed and the bottom was a rough and a sandy. This was also similar to that, but it was a much nicer shape, very cute, which I can totally imagine on the coffee table or on top of the books, which is $5, which I truly cannot imagine how IKEA makes it. Is it literally a dollar store pricing, and which fits any of your space really well. I bought this one instantly. It doesn't really come in any sizes, so this was the only option that we had, but I think it was perfect if you would like to go for this color. So here I was done with my planting section, but I got a lot of things from IKEA because I moved to a new place, and that did all the job perfectly. They had some other options too, but I couldn't record everything because there were a lot of people after that. However, I still needed to shop more for my bigger plants. So for that, I was looking for a really big vase or big basket kind of a thing where I can put my bird of paradise plant. I recently got a new plant and I was so happy about it. But this was for $35, and I wasn't really liking the quality of it. Yeah, it was really nice and deep, but I can get similar from any thrift store. I was hoping this to be maximum for $15 to $20, but just because of the handles, probably they made it on a designer side and was for $35. Also new in the collection too. So I did not opt for that. I could have got it from somewhere else, but of course you can look into that. Those are some other things in the lighting section because I moved to the new apartment where I needed a lot of lamps. It doesn't really have any connection to the lights, a lot of lamps. So I needed a bedside lamp. So this was a new lamp that I could find. Also, they have lowered their prices. And you know, this basket is most of our favorite. And they have lowered its prices to $39, which I believe it was for $45. I'm not really sure. Also, the pegboard came in a different color and different design. This was very small though. I would rather go for a bigger one. The price point was cheaper probably. It's just for this piece. It did not decrease the price at all. They had some new art prints, which is more summer inspired. They were really nice, bright color for the art prints. And the prices were pretty affordable, between $10 to $18, so which you can utilize to revamp your summer decor or your room decor. It was pretty amazing. This is the candle holder that I ended up buying. It was also new from the collection, which is like $16 for 3 candle holders. Those are 3 different level of candle holders, which looks absolutely amazing at the dining table, also probably on a coffee table or anywhere where you would like to decorate your taper candle or just want to improvise the aesthetics of your shelves or your decor shelves. They have some good new frames, which is lower prices, and also some of them are from the new collection. They have marked it down as a new, but they are very affordable prices. This was the biggest frame that I've seen there for $30. Even if you go to any thrift store, the used frame will be there for like $17-$80. So it was perfect for my pictures that I was trying to hang. I was trying to make one DIY. And at the end of your trip to IKEA, make sure you go and check out the as is section. They have a lot of return stuff from the customer that they cannot sell it back in the original packing. So you can get it on a discounted price, so never miss out on this spot. And that was pretty much it for my video today. I hope you've enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on the channel, because I will be posting more videos like this, so you'll get that in your feed. Once again, thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.